How specific do you get with manifesting? This is an eternal question. The flowers are going to help us answer it. And depending on what philosophy of thought, what method of manifesting you use, you might hear a different answer. Some people say you got to get as specific as possible, which I do agree with to some degree. But there are some specifics that you cannot get into because they're never going to work. So this flower, this is what I taught in Manifesting with Flowers, which you can still access. I taught more than this, but this flower, it wants to be pollinated. That's its desire. That's its goal. It does not get to control what insect pollinates it, who pollinates it, whether it's a honeybee, a wasp, a fly, a horsefly, a human, a bird. Birds probably aren't pollinating that, but hummingbirds do pollinate. So the flower doesn't get to choose that. Similarly, you don't get to choose who is your love partner, who is the person you get in a business partnership with. Yes, you get to choose in terms of if they show up in your life and want to do it with you and you both have mutual consent and you both come together, you choose it. But you cannot pick the person out there and make them come to you, make them manifest in your life. Just like this flower cannot make the honey bee that's the specific honeybee come to it. It doesn't work that way. And look, I get it. Oh my gosh. In high school, Ty Kaiser, he was a person that I wanted to manifest as my boyfriend. And believe you me, I wrote about our relationship in my notebook on my desk every single day. Oh, I was all about those affirmations. The only thing it served to do was to make Ty Kaiser and all of his friends think that I was probably crazy. I don't actually know what they thought. They never interacted with me. My friends were like, Rachel, this is ridiculous. And I get it. I was ridiculous. Did I really think that I could manifest him into my life? I don't know, but I guess I wanted to try it out. After that, I really had to get into, once I started realizing how ridiculous I was after like 3 months of trying to get him in my life, one, I was like, I don't even know this guy. Like, how can I really know if we would be good together if I really don't even know him? He just looks good. These flowers, they don't actually care who pollinates them. Now, while you may care who is in your life, who's going to be your love partner, your business partner, your work partner, your whatever, best friend, you can't control a single other person to get them to do what you want to do. And even if temporarily you think you can make that happen, it will not last. This is where in manifesting, you need to focus on general rather than specific. Focus on the kind of love you want, the kind of partnership you want, rather than I want this exact person. I've been thinking for a while, I want to do this blog post that's essentially like, I'm sorry, Ty Kaiser, can you please forgive me for being like a ridiculous teenage person who was fawning all over you? I could say teenage girl, but I feel like that also there's a stereotype that undervalues that. And I don't undervalue myself. It was a thing that I had to learn that I want you to know. And look, you might not be thinking, oh, I want to manifest a specific person. It's easier to see it when we're talking about people. But the other thing you want to manifest, are you getting so specific that you're blocking yourself off to blessings that are coming to you? There's a phrase that gets thrown around a lot that I think is a good one to return to, which is this or something better. Believing that whatever you have planned out, God, the universe, creator, the divine has something even better planned for you. So an openness and a surrendering and a receiving to a releasing to how you thought it would happen and a being present to what is happening and what still feels fulfilling and aligned with you, that's power there. So today, with your manifesting practice in this 30 days of manifesting, I want you to get curious. do you need to open up and go more general to tap into the true feeling of what you want, not the exact logistics of it, not the nitty-gritty details? Sometimes you need to take time to zoom out and go general to really deeply connect with the emotion and the feeling and the embodiment of what you want. I'm Rachel Strivelli. I'm a psychic and a life coach. I love helping work with you on manifesting. There's a free Manifesting with Flowers workshop that you can sign up to get access to that I think you'll be delighted by, and it'll help you integrate the energy and insight of manifesting using nature, using beauty around you in a way that is different from what you've seen before. So get access to that workshop, and I'll see you soon.